Welcome to 864 Overlanding. I'm Daniel. This morning we're going to do something a little bit different. We're not going camping or overlanding or anything like that. So we got up this morning and we looked outside and it's just really, really beautiful outside. And we don't have the whole day to do anything. So me and my wife were talking and we decided that we wanted to run up to North Carolina to look at some waterfalls. So we're going to make almost a day trip out of it. We're going to load the fridge in the back of the truck full of some snacks and sodas and water. And we're going to hit the road and head up there and see what we can find. And we want y'all to come along with us. We're here at the Nantahala National Forest. And there's our first waterfall. We come to look at waterfalls today. We are in Highlands, North Carolina. It's a dam. We're gonna walk down here and check it out. And here's our first waterfall here in Highlands. Normally you can drive your car around it, but they've got it closed. Maybe afraid it's going to freeze over or something. We are here at Dry Falls in North Carolina. We're going to walk down here and
I'm excited.
See what we're looking at.
Fishing rod. It's like a pretend fish. What?
There's the first waterfall. What do you think, Emily?
It's really cool.
Huh? It's a pretty big waterfall, huh?
I want to bring my fishing rod.
What you think, Mama?
Beautiful.
What y'all think?
Pretty, but look, you can go back there. They have like somewhere you can walk.
Victoria, what you think?
Huh?
What you think?
This is where my teacher got the post to.
What? Subscribe to 864 Overlanding. Come on.
Normally, if you walk back there and go behind this waterfall, they've got it closed. Rainbow.
Daddy, our gripping boots will help.
I was just told this is Bat Creek Lake. Right here.
It looks pretty.
I'm not sure. You can definitely see way out there.
It's gorgeous. Come here, Daddy. I want to show you something. Show the